Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, fog lights, interval wipers, keyless entry, telematics system, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.